you've been working with FM systems for quite some time, but it's not the only solution. It's not the only technology. Can you talk to us about having something in place? Did that give you an advantage? And then what other technologies are you putting in place or looking at to help with this?
I mean, to me, you guys are the only solution because it's the one we have. Now I've worked to develop it over the years more and more and more so that it really fits our needs and the amount of that we can accomplish with it at this point, is would be really, really hard to match elsewhere. Did it matter that we had it when we first ventured into this? Well, absolutely. This is where everything started from our system. All of the data came from it. This is how everybody knows where everybody sits. This is, you can pull their locations, their job description, their roles and everything out of this system and look at it. And like you were saying before, our campus is currently 99.8% occupied. And so what's not occupied already has a plan in place to occupy. So we'd be crazy not to embrace this, you understand, from a space perspective, We would be absolutely crazy not to want to,
And how much space are we talking about? Because
we're talking about 8 million gross square feet of fully occupied space.
Okay, that's a lot.
It's a lot of space.